Hello friends, welcome to Vasu Creations. Today I am going to discuss about the topic closed cycle gas turbine. Before going to the topic, let us know what is gas turbine. Gas turbines are a type of internal combustion engine in which burning of an air fuel mixture produces hot gases. These hot gases are helped to spin a turbine to produce power. Simply, we say that gas turbines are used to produce mechanical power by burning of an air fuel mixture. Let us see the examples. The examples of gas turbines are turbojet, turboprop, turboshaft, etc. Let us see the classifications of gas turbines. The gas turbines are classified according to the path of the working substance and process of heat absorption. According to path of working substance, the gas turbines are divided into three types. They are closed cycle gas turbine, open cycle gas turbines, semi-closed gas turbines. And according to process of heat absorption, gas turbines are divided into two types: constant pressure gas turbines, constant volume gas turbines. Let us coming to the main topic, the working of closed cycle gas turbine. A closed cycle gas turbine mainly consists of a compressor, heating chamber, turbine, generator, cooling chamber and shaft. Let's see one by one. First one, compressor. Compressor is a mechanical device used to increase the pressure and decreasing the volume. And second one is heat exchanger. Heat exchanger is a device used to transfer heat from one media to another, and it is used for both cooling and heating purpose. In this process, heat exchanger is used as both heating chamber and cooling chamber. And third one is turbine. Turbine is a machine uses a stream of air, gas, water or steam to turn a wheel and produce power. And fourth one is generator. Generator is a device which is used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And fifth one is shaft. Shaft is used to transmit the power from turbine to compressor. And let's see on which principle the turbine works. The closed cycle gas turbine works on the principle of Brayton cycle. Let's see the main working process of closed cycle gas turbine. This working mainly involves four processes. They are: first one is isentropic compression, and second one is constant pressure heat addition. Third one is isentropic expansion. Fourth one is constant pressure heat rejection. Let's see one by one. This first process is isentropic compression. Here 1 to 2 indicates the isentropic compression. First, the process starts with compressor. The air is flowing into the compressor, and here the air is compressed isentropically. Due to high compression, the pressure is increases and volume is decreases. Here there is no addition and rejection of heat. So Q equal to 0. This process is done at constant entropy. So S1 equal to S2. After completing compression, the air is passed into the heating chamber. The second process is constant pressure heat addition. The process 2 to 3 indicates constant pressure heat addition. Here the air from the compressor is flowing into the heating chamber. The external source of heat is added to the heating chamber at constant pressure. Here the pressures P2 and P3 are equal and the volume is increases. The heat exchanger is used as heating chamber. At the end of this process, exhaust gases coming out to the atmosphere. The third process is isentropic expansion. 3 to 4 indicates the isentropic expansion. In this process, the high temperature and high pressure air is flowing into the turbine. From the air, the turbine extracts the potential energy and kinetic energy and convert it into mechanical energy. Some of this mechanical energy is used to run the compressor, and the remaining mechanical energy is supplied to the generator. The generator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The expansion is done at constant entropy. Here the pressure is decreases and volume is increases. The final and fourth process is constant pressure heat rejection. In this process, 4 to 1 indicates the constant pressure heat rejection. The heat exchanger is used as cooling chamber. After converting the high pressure and high temperature air into mechanical energy, some of the air is left, that is flowing into the cooling chamber. The air is cooled by rejection of heat at constant pressure to regain its original temperature, and the volume is decreases. The air is again flow into the compressor. In closed cycle gas turbine, the process is repeated continuously with same air or working fluid. If we see the whole process, the work done by the turbine is Wt equal to Cp into T3 minus T4. The work done by the compressor is Wc equal to Cp into T2 minus T1, where Cp equal to constant specific heat. Therefore, total net work equal to work done by the turbine minus work done by the compressor. W equal to Wt minus Wc. If we see the advantages of closed cycle gas turbine, the advantages are: first one, high thermal efficiency; second one, improved heat transmission; third one, lesser fluid friction; fourth one, no loss of working medium; fifth one, greater output; and sixth one, inexpensive fuel. If we see the disadvantages of closed cycle gas turbine, first one, complexity; and second one, larger amount of cooling water is required; third one, not economical for moving vehicles; fourth one, requires the use of a very large air preheater; and fifth one, cost of maintenance is high. If anyone wants the clear notes of this topic, please refer the link which I kept in description. Thank you.